Greetings, dog heroes. Dr. Finn here with Malika. She's super excited that she's being able to work on her core on these red peanut, as you see, but she's really excited that 30 different dogs owners have gotten the at-home laser and are benefiting, having pain relief for elbow arthritis, hip arthritis, disc disease, pain in their necks, and just so these dogs are feeling better overall, and their owners are doing it at home. Plus, there's 2 horses. So that's 32 animals whose owners have gotten them at-home pain relief with this MedcoVet laser that you don't buy on the everything stores. Don't buy your laser where you buy your shampoo or your dog food. This is that you can purchase through the company with a veterinary prescription, or you can reach out to me and I will facilitate that for you. But at home laser therapy for your dog's pain.